If you eat like this, you can reverse your insulin resistance in 90 days flat. There is a clinical study done in Utah that every woman with diabetes or high blood sugar should know about. In this study, women diagnosed with HbA1c 8.9% were offered two options. पहली ऑप्शन थी मेडिकेशन और दूसरी ऑप्शन थी टू फॉलो गाइडेड न्यूट्रिशन एंड लाइफस्टाइल प्लान. और इंटरेस्टिंग बात तो ये है, सब ने सेकेंड ऑप्शन ऑप्ट किया. एंड आफ्टर 90 days their HbA1c levels of 8.9% dropped to 5.6% without any medication, without any injections. तो 90 days एक बहुत एविडेंस बैक्ड और रियलिस्टिक विंडो है to reverse high blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. सबसे पहले carbohydrates. You don't have to be scared of carbohydrates. You just have to stay away from simple carbohydrates. And when it comes to fruits and vegetables, you can have them all. Just be mindful of starchy vegetables, which are the vegetables which grow under the ground, and fruits like banana, grapes and mangoes. और सेकेंड, आपको प्रोटीन को प्रायोरिटाइज करना है. प्रोटीन स्टेबलाइजेस ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स एंड कीप्स यू सेशिएटेड फॉर अ मच लॉन्गर टाइम. एंड यस, proteins come with fats, but those are the good fats that are needed to digest those proteins in the body. Just keep the visible fats like oils away. Third is meal timings. आपको most of the खाना during the day when there is still sunlight finish करना है, which means you should have finished your dinner 3 to 4 hours before you go to sleep. This will improve your sleep quality and insulin response and also enable fat burning at night. Fourth is exercise. और best exercise क्या है? वही जो आप रोज कर सकते हैं. If that means walk, so be it. Walk is just good enough. But in addition to that, you have to remember, you have to walk for 10 to 15 minutes after the biggest meal of the day. All this is very realistic and practical to do. And if you religiously do it for the next 90 days, your insulin resistance or high blood sugar levels are guaranteed to reverse.